Hello, second graders. Miss Shannon here once again. This week is all about review. So we are going to continue reviewing types of sentences. Today, we are going to talk specifically about exclamations and questions, as we worked with statements the other day. Let's start with exclamations. An exclamation is a sentence that shows strong feeling. It starts with a capital letter and ends with an exclamation point instead of a period. You might be asking, Miss Shannon, what does an exclamation point look like? Well, let me show you. There it is. It looks like a period but has a line above it, a vertical line above it. That is an exclamation point, which again is put at the end of a sentence to show strong feeling. It could be strong sad feelings or strong happy feelings. Here are 3 sentences. I will read them aloud and I want you to think which sentences should have an exclamation point at the end and which sentence or sentences should have a period. So which ones show strong emotion and deserve an exclamation point? Sentence number 1 reads, I love when it snows. Sentence number 2, let's sit by the fire. Number 3, making a snowman is so fun. Okay, second graders. Which sentences do you think showed strong feeling or emotion? Sometimes the words in the sentence can give you a clue. Let's look at sentence number 1. In sentence number 1, it says, I love. Well, I know that love is a strong feeling or emotion. So if I'm saying I love when it snows, that's showing strong feeling. That sentence, I think, deserves an exclamation point. Sentence number 2 is a command. It says, let's sit by the fire. And I would end it with a regular period. It's not showing any strong emotion. Sentence number 3, making a snowman is so fun. Well, what do you think, second graders? Should it be a period or is it an exclamation point? Let's go to the next slide to find out and see what you thought. There we go. Our strong emotion sentences are I love when it snows and making a snowman is so fun. Both of those sentences are showing strong feeling or emotion. Okay, let's move on to sentences that are questions. A question is a sentence that asks something. It starts with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. And on the next slide, I'm going to show you what a question mark looks like. There you go. That is a question mark. When you see that at the end of a sentence, it means it is asking a question, which usually needs an answer. Let's look at our 3 practice sentences. I will read them aloud, and I want you to decide which sentences are asking a question and need a question mark at the end. Number 1, did he learn to fly? Number 2, he shared dinner with his friends. Number 3, how many birds are in the tree? Okay, second graders, your turn. Which sentences need a question mark at the end because they are asking a question? Drum roll, please. Did you guess it? The first sentence and the third sentence were questions. Questions often begin with the words who, what, when, where, why, and how. And in this case, did. So let's review. Sentences that are statements have a period at the end. Sentences that ask questions have a question mark at the end. And sentences that are exclamations showing strong emotion have a exclamation point at the end. You are now going to fill out the last slide on this slideshow. The directions are, in the green boxes, add the correct end punctuation to each sentence. So you will click in that green box and choose either a period, a question mark, or an exclamation point to end the sentence. I will read the sentences out loud for you now, and then you will enter in the end punctuation. Number 1, where did you eat lunch? Number 2, Sam is taking out the trash. Number 3, what book are you reading? Number 4, Cam loved the birthday cake. Okay, second graders, good luck. Fill in the end punctuation for those 4 sentences and remember to click submit when you're finished. Great job!